it's Dave here again from Creative Guitar Lounge with a couple of unboxing videos for you today. My last video I was talking about the little GP5 from Valeton, which is an incredible little mini pedal, and I liked that so much I decided to replace my trusty but old Boss GT100 with the kind of big daddy of the GPs, which is the 200. And I got that from Anderton's, which is where I found the best price, but also I've really enjoyed their kind of review videos of it, and they've been singing the praises of this thing for quite some time. So I thought, yeah, this is going to work for me. I've actually bought also a Headrush FR cabinet to go with this, the Go small one, because I'm kind of looking for a load of options to just be able to play guitar anywhere around the house, outside now that the summer's coming. So, and also a proper rig for recording. So this GP200 should fulfill lots of functions. So it comes really well packaged. As you can see, you get the power cable with it and a USB cable, because like a lot of these things you can plug it straight into your DAW for direct recording. So there we go, again nicely packaged from Anderton's, delivered on time, spot on, no problems at all. It's a nice, solid, really good looking unit, and they've even thrown in a couple of picks. So what's not to like? I'll do full reviews of this when I get it plugged in and play around with it a bit and kind of work out what I'm going to use it for and so on and so forth, but there we have it. So next up, I also have been watching reviews of this little thing for ages, and this is the Positive Grid Spark Mini. I can consider the bigger one just the upgrade, the Spark 2, but I felt I didn't really need that because I decided to go for the Headrush instead. But I wanted this little thing mainly to mess around with the AI stuff, and again, this is battery powered, so you charge it up and you can play anywhere. I've got a couple of those little wireless doohickeys, so I don't need to mess around with cables, so I can just really walk around playing this. So I just wanted to see what they were like again, like you do. I've done loads of research. I actually got this and the Headrush from Amazon. They were the best prices, so I'll put my links in the bottom if you want to get them for yourself. I might make a few pence. So you get the little amp itself. I wasn't sure until I got this exactly what size it was, but yeah, it's pretty tiny. So with it you get obviously a cable. You just charge this from a phone charger or any of the little sort of 5-volt chargers that you've got kicking around. So you get a USB cable for that, and a little strap, little carry one is the USB cable, and there's a sort of carry strap, a bit like the Roland Cube, a little strap that you can put on it and sort of carry it around. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Look forward to trying that, and again I will do proper demos of these when soon. Cheers for now.